I want to learn English, but I don't know what I should focus on first.
Let's start with you, so tell me what you already know in English.
I can understand some words, but speaking is still difficult for me.
That's very normal, and we'll focus on speaking from the very beginning.
I'm afraid of making mistakes when I speak.
Making mistakes is part of learning, and speaking comes before perfect grammar.
I want to speak more confidently in everyday situations.
Then we'll practice real conversations you can use in daily life.
I often understand English, but I can't answer quickly.
We'll train fast reactions with short, natural sentences.
I also want to understand British pronunciation better.
We'll use British English sounds and rhythm in every dialogue.
Better. I need English for work and normal conversations.
That's great, because we can combine everyday English with work situations.
I learn best when I listen and speak at the same time.
Then shadowing will be perfect for you, so you'll repeat while listening.
I like short dialogues that feel natural.
We'll keep the sentences short and realistic to build confidence.
I want to feel comfortable speaking English every day.
Daily speaking practice will help you feel relaxed and natural.
That makes me feel more motivated already.
Good, because motivation grows when you see progress.
What should I practice first after this lesson?
Start by reading these dialogues out loud every day.
That sounds simple and doable.
Simple habits are the most powerful ones.
Doable. If this lesson helped you, please give it a like.
Now I'd like to ask you, the viewer, what would you like to learn in English next? Write in the comments which situations or dialogues you want us to practice. And don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed learning with us.